Hi, in this video I will discuss inverse of function. So first question we have f of x equal 8x minus 5. Now we have few steps. Step 1, that you have to change this f of x to y. Okay, change this to y. So how we will do it? First, y, f of x change to y. So y equal 8x minus 5. This is your step 1. Step 2, you will interchange. Interchange means put y as x and x as y. Okay, that's your step 2. So step 1, what we did, f of x to y. Step 2, we interchange. We interchange this here and this here. Okay. Now, after this, we just have to simply solve as a multi-step equation. We have done so many multi-step equation, and what we will solve, we will find out y. We will solve it for y. So how we will do it? We will do plus 5 both side. That will go. So x plus 5, let's just remove from here. So x plus 5 is equal 8y. And now you divide with 8 both side. So that will go away. Now y is equal x plus 5 over 8. Or you can write it as this way. Okay. Now this is your inverse of the function given. Now in this one you will replace this y as f inverse x. At the place of y you will put f inverse x and rest is same. So this will be your final solution. That is how you will do it. Okay, let's try the same method again for the next question. Now before we start in this question, first we need to solve this as a distributive property. Okay, because it is not simplified. Okay, even if you don't, then you will have to do it later. So let's do it here. F of x is equal 6x plus 6 multiply x is 6x, and 6 multiply 7 will give you 42, right? Now step 1, let me just write down this time. Step 1, replace f of x as y. So y equals 6x plus 42. Now step 2. Step 2 will be interchange x and y. Interchange x and y. Okay, this is the sign of and if you don't know this, then let me just write it down. X and y. So x is equal 6y plus 42, and now it's very simple. Minus 42 both side. X minus 42 is equal 6y. Divide with 6 both side. That's how we solve multi-step equation. There's nothing new that I'm doing here. And now you can just change. So step 3, let me write here. Step 3, replace y as f inverse x, right? So f inverse x is equal, I will put the same value, x minus 42 over 6. So that's how you will solve. So let me just quickly solve the remaining questions, and you guys can try to understand as slowly as possible. You can just pause the video and try it by yourself. Okay, good. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, this question says, okay, now so this will be y is equal 3 over 4x plus 9, and now x is equal interchange. Now subtraction, x minus 9 is equal 3 over 4y. And how we will solve this? If we want to remove, we will multiply 4 over 3. Always use parentheses. I've discussed that in the classroom as well. So 4 and 4 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel. Now 4 over 3 x minus 9 is equal y. Replace this as f inverse x is equal 4 over 3 x minus 9. This is your answer. Now you can further simplify it if you want. How you will do it? You can multiply this outside number inside, okay? But you have to multiply with both the number and the variable, okay? So 4x over 3 minus 4 times 9 is 36. 36 over 3 will give you how much? 12. That's it. So let me just write again f inverse x. That's it. What I did here, I did nothing. I just multiplied this inside. That's it. That's the property, distributive property. Next question. Now again here, y is equal negative 16 plus 2 over 5x. Replace x is equal negative 16 plus 2 over 5y plus 16 both side. X plus 16 is equal 2 over 5y. Now the next step is multiply with opposite reciprocal. Always use parenthesis here. Always use that. Okay. 5 cancel. 2 cancel. Now y is replaced as f inverse x is equal 5 over 2 x plus 16. I just replace this as this and the same. F inverse x is equal 5x over 2 plus 16 divided 2 will be 8. 8 multiplied 5 will give you 40. And if you cannot do it, just put this in the calculator. Okay, 5 over 2 multiply 16. Put this in the calculator, you will get your answer. That's it. Next question, question number 21. Now in this one you have to separate this first. Okay, so minus 4x divide 5 plus 1 divide 5. Like this you have to do it. Okay, now this will be y is equal negative 4x over 5 plus 1 over 5. Then interchange, x is equal negative 4 over 5y plus 1 over 5. Next step will be very simple. Now you have to solve for y. So what we will do, minus 1 over 5 and minus 1 over 5 both side. This is gone. Since I have limited space, so I'll use this side. X minus 1 over 5 is equal minus 4 over 5y. Now here you can just multiply with minus 1 or just take minus sign to the opposite side, so that will give you minus x. Minus minus plus, or else in the simple language just change the sign of opposite side. Okay, just change the sign. So this was plus, minus, this was minus, this was plus, and this minus removed from here. Okay, that's the simple meaning. Now multiply with opposite reciprocal. Again, I'm telling you again and again, use parenthesis. Okay, 5 and 5 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel. Now again multiply this inside. Now don't do this that Mr. this is minus, so 5 over 4 minus x. No, this is multiplication. Okay, so minus sign will stay here. Minus 5 over 4 x. We are doing multiplication, not the subtraction. Now this is plus, this sign is also plus, so this will remain plus. And 1 over 5, 1 over 5 multiply with 5 over 4. So this will look like this, 5 over 4 multiply 1 over 5. That is cancelled, so that will give you 1 over 4. And that's it, equal f inverse x. I replace this y as f inverse x. That is it. So I did this bit quickly in the last. So what you can do is you can just pause the video and try to understand this, because this is very simple. Follow the steps and you will be able to get your answer. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.